Hey kids, ready for an exciting adventure? Today, we're going on a magical journey to Paris, the city of lights. Pack your bags and put on your explorer hats because we're about to discover the wonders of this amazing city. Look at the Eiffel Tower, it's one of the most famous landmarks in the world. Did you know it's so tall that it can be seen from almost anywhere in Paris? Let's take a closer look and find out some fun facts about it. We're strolling down the charming streets of Paris now. Let's visit some of the beautiful parks and gardens. Can you smell the delicious pastries coming from the bakeries? Paris is famous for its yummy treats like croissants and macarons. Time to learn about Parisian culture. In Paris, people love art, and there are amazing museums like the Louvre, where the Mona Lisa lives. We'll also meet some friendly Parisians who can teach us a few words in French. Now it's time for some fun. We'll take a ride on a classic Parisian carousel and even go on a boat ride along the Seine River. Paris is full of surprises, and we're here to discover them all. Our Paris adventure is coming to an end, but we hope you had as much fun as we did. Remember, Paris is a magical place with so much to explore. Until next time, keep dreaming big and exploring new places. Thanks for joining us on this wonderful journey through Paris. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun adventures. See you on our next trip!